Welcome to Takniki Gyan Guru channel. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, let's dive in. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of installing PostgreSQL along with its prerequisites, complete with a hands-on demo. Let's get started. So why we are installing PostgreSQL? Because we need some database when we are building some application, right? So in my past video, we have built some application on React.js and Node.js, .NET Core. We will have lot more languages and framework in future, right? So we require this database, right? So currently we will talk about the postgres, but we will also have some hands-on different databases also. Postgres is rdbms database, relational database management system. So we will also talk about some NoSQL databases later on in future videos, right? So in today's we will install Postgres. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, we'll go to the PostgreSQL's official website. From there, we will download the installer, PostgreSQL installer. So if you can see, we have different version. That version will support different Windows platforms. So in today's video, we will install in Windows, right? So in Windows platform, like 60 with Windows platform, you know the latest version is 16, right? And this will be compatible with 2022 or 2019 60-bit platform, and the 15 15 will be 1926, right? And if you have 30-bit Windows platform, then the 10 version will be compatible for this version. So once we download this, we will install this installer to our VM. So let's go and have hands-on with a demo, right? How we can install Postgre in Windows. So now we are in the browser Chrome. So as per your browser, you can just open your browser and type install Postgres in Windows. So when you click enter, then you can have the www.postgresql.org. Click on the first link and see. If you can see, we have already discussed the supported platform. So as we are going to install the latest version 16, I'm going to click on download. The first line, download the installer, and here you can see all the versions are available. 16.2, and this is for Linux, 64, 32, Mac OS, Windows 64 and 32 is not supported. So I will down click on this to download. So the download get started. So I will resume back once the download is done. Now the download is completed. We can go to the folder. See, the Postgres is download 16 version on Windows 64. We need to just double click on this. It will ask for your approval. Just say yes. Now the setup for welcome page for setup is here. So you just need to click on next. No change here. In this page, this will ask you for installation directory, where in which location you want to install your Postgres. So I don't want to change. I want to the default directory, program files, Postgres SQL 16. If you want, you can make change here based on your folder location. I will say next. Here you can see it will you can click on what you want to install: PostgreSQL server, pgadmin, stack builder, command line tool. So let's, by default all are selected. If you do not want anything from here, can uncheck. So I want everything for now. Just click on next. Data directory here, all your data will be saved in this location. Means we will create a table, insert the table data, store procedure, everything will be stored in this location. So you can change as per your requirement. Click next. Here it will ask you for the password for your database, right? So let's give some password here, and the super user is Postgres. Let me give. So I have given the password here. Click on next. It will ask for the port. Click next. It will ask you for the local by default, and then it will show you the details of your installation, like installation directory where you have installed your Postgres, the installation directory, server installation directory, data directory where your data will be saved, the port, from this port the database will be accessible, 5432, the database username, server, and command line tool installation directory, pgadmin installation directory, stack builder installation directory, and log. In this location you can see the log of the Postgres. Now you can click next and next. So it will take some time to install. So let's wait for some time, and then I will come back once the installation is done. Now the installation is done. You have to click on finish. Now it will open stack builder. The stack builder is basically useful to install the additional feature of Postgres. So we don't require, but let's see. We want to install additional feature on Postgres on this port, right? Click on next, and here you can see all the add-ons, right? If you want to install or database drivers, JDBC, right? And database server registration, spatial extensions, and web development. So these are some of the features. If you want and if you need it, you can just click on this, check, and click on next, right? So because we don't need it now, so we will not install these additional feature. We will cancel it and say yes, because we have already installed the Postgres. Click on Windows button and search pgadmin and click on this. So it will take some time. Let's wait, and then we'll come back. It's showing me some fatal error. This may be because they could not be contacted, because sometimes it takes some time to connect. So click on configure, check this port. Let's say 120 and save it. Okay. Now open it again. pgadmin. Yeah, this time it opens. So sometime it take time to connect with the database the first time, right? So you have to wait for some time, and then you can see we are in pgadmin. Now you can see here the server. It will ask for the password we have put into when we were installing. So give your password here and save it. It won't ask again and again. Click OK. Yeah. You can see default database is created Postgres. If you want, you can click on database and create new database. Let's name this database core app demo, and this is the name. You can go and see the SQL, right? The script, create database script. You can directly go and use this script to create your database. Now I just name it and save. Core app demo is created. Click here and we can see we have the schemas. We'll talk about schema only today. In the schema we have the functions, procedures, tables. Let's discuss the table now. Here we don't have table because it is newly created database. Let's right click on this and create table. Here you can go into the SQL and you can either create table from the this one here or some script. Let's say I'm saying I'm creating student table schema public, right? And comment I don't want, I just create a student as public, save it. This table is created, right? So we don't have any column. So let's go and go to property and the column section. You click plus and say ID begin. It should not null and primary. One more column, say name varchar character variant not null and save it. Now we can see we have now two columns over here. Just refresh it. Now you can see took ID and name. Right click here and query tool. Now say insert into, I just want to insert where students ID and name, ID name values 1, Kiran, okay, and let's just run it. Inserted 1, right? You can see 1 is inserted. If you can have select star home students and run this command, and you can see one row is inserted. And now if you can say select star, okay, only one table is there. Let's say select star from grades, see, no object found, right? So say create table grades, say id int and name varchar, say 100. Okay, so I'm creating another table with two column id and name. Just run this. Query written successfully. It means a new table is created. Refresh this. See, grade table is created with two column id and name. If you want to now run this select from grades, you see nothing is there. Now copy this one, same, insert into grades id name value 1 and grade is a. Okay, now insert this. Okay, inserted. Now run the grid now. Yeah, id is 1 and name is a. Correct. So now the data is being inserted. We have seen how to create a table, create a database, create a table, and insert a data. Also, you want to delete, use right click and delete the table or this table, right? You can go and delete the table. Correct. So the schema is done. Apart from this, you can have the login group. This is the username password. This is the Postgres user. We are logged in with this user only. So let's move to the slide. So this will end to our video. Please comment, or you are facing any issues installing the Postgres or any other issues you are facing, just comment us. We'll try to guide you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.